party, man. Hold on, man. New rules. All vendetta fans say, push.
Yellow moon, yellow moon.
Hold me drink for me. Don't put nothing in it. Next tune, I'm up now with it. What do you say? I'll lose a vendetta put up an anime here right now. Next tune. Run it.
Mr. Bombastic.
Turn up. Hey, 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 hey.
Mr. Bombastic Romantic.
When you're ready, sing it for me.
Just a lot. It's a love.
When you're ready, that's on it. Sing it now. What?
She called me this.
Get mad. Well on it. Get mad. Drop it again. Get mad. Turn up, turn up.
Miss a lover. I miss a love.
Every night, every acapella, real artist. North boy, a Thundercat. No limit them tongue no stop. The next thing, I tell them nothing from the scene. New rules from it funny and me. Cause me no go on my bed go cheap more boy. Me no go on my bed go cheap more boy. Chinese, such a go up me carry. You know this. You know say me now go. Second dance, everybody alright, easy. That's a fact, though. Mr. Lyman, lock up the light then for the place. The main light, just keep it from me alone. It's a pleasure to be here by the new rules. All you man like King Selassie.
Big bomb from there. What do you know, sir? I mean right about? What do you know, sir? I mean right about? Well, I hear you. Yes! Which part? You know, sir, I mean, Mr. Amande, the real Mackay right about. But anyways, it's alright, we're gonna sing it tonight. I'm going to other things, but before I touch the stage, me here to must go out with something. Me here to must take off shoes and go on something. I don't understand. I don't want to have shoes, I want to split and go on back. I don't want to be head top. I don't want to go on somewhere. Girl, you're not afraid to share. Do not be afraid to share. Alright, relax. Jamaica small. You understand? What was that? You can't find nobody else? Not a problem. Guess what? Who ready to sing about it?
to make it pass all the drama. When the man pull up themselves, you give me drama. Feel like you can't bumper. When you come in, this is your Lord, and put it drama. One day I sleep on the big board and nana. You know who I know? You never go to no. Sing that one. Watch out now. We also want to say big up Brownstone, big up Magnum, big up all the artists that are forward that can show them support. You know what I say? I want to big up Mavard, we say big up Tyrus Riley, Shaggy, Johnny, Ayak Team, Tyrus Riley, the Wall Link. You see what I say? They don't know new rules. We show them so we break down barriers and make new you can. Shut boy, yeah. You see what I say? I won't have to say what they say neither. What else in the program? We have a put on the place right now. Some more say my guys gonna come on board here. Everybody sing! It's a right sing! You think right now, but me think is what you're about. You might think you can't make it down. Let me give you some kiss as well. I'm here, man. That's up there, boy. I'm just watching. Not clear now. Let me see. Let me ride that in. What am I doing? Yeah, you're ready with the worst, you know. Well, listen to me. Pushmaster just a fire lock.
So, everything done now. It is now, I have no voice, 4:12. We barely have a voice. And so we come back to everybody bomb rush him. We see him all in left hand. We see him when they have him at Bunny Split. And now he's gone. Because one bag of wine. There's a full of bag of wine. As he leaves. I bitch, I'll watch him leave. I'll watch him leave. Alright, that's all this time. I'm going to take a picture with him because the night has ended. Yes, it has. Man himself grabbed my hand. Grabbed your hand. I think I have it on video, so you guys will see. We nearly took off her ring, and then it's like after Shanti nearly took off the minor ring. But then when he realized it just slip off, he moved my hand, and then it's like he go up on the next side, and the girl actually take off the ring. I think she said her finger was bleeding. Because it must have grab it back, and it never come off. And she does say, and there she does say something like our finger bleed or something.
Girl with a body, with a bad anybody, you me need a people type on my team. Give her some first time, turn up the rest of the street, you know what I mean?